Twitch, please tell me. Twitch, tell me if I'm live. Tell me if I'm live. Tell me if I'm live. I'm live on Twitch. What about YouTube? What about YouTube? I'm live on YouTube too. Okay, okay. So today, I am going to be forcing my two non-programmer friends. Each of them will now introduce himself.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Rose. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Insane Dark Spark.
And on today's stream, I'm gonna force them to learn C. But there's a few catches. For one, I cannot program anything for them. For two, they can't use Google or ChatGPT. And the worst one they don't know is that they're going to be making an entire programming language of their own.
What?
Damn.
Oh, well, I guess we better get started or we're gonna be here for the next year, huh? Yeah, that's all the rules that matter to you anyways, chat. So, I'm going deaf, one sec.
Imagine. That's such a skill issue. You're actually going deaf.
No, it's because I had my music on full blast in my ears, I can barely hear you guys. But anyways, hey! Okay, you two start, your time, your time starts now. What do you do?
Waiting timed?
Yeah, actually,
What do we start with? Do we start with, oh, I think I know what we start with.
what do you start with? Tell me.
My starts are wrong.
Nope, that's way off, bro.
No, that's way off. Okay, what
Okay,
do we
okay.
start with? Can you help us with that?
I can only give concepts, but since this is a concept of C, I can give it. Get the fuck out of it. Okay. No, 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 no. Out of here. For fuck's sake. You two, stop typing.
Why?
What are you
I
gonna do
wanna
about it?
For 5 damn seconds. Lock the fuck in.
Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't code.
No, lock in, lock in, lock in.
This is probably going to be a very long time of
Okay.
yelling at us because we have
So,
no idea what we're doing.
In C, everything goes type, name, and then anything else after that. So, if you, bro, stop fucking typing 5 damn seconds. Stop typing.
You said. Type
Let me
name and
finish
everything else
speaking.
after that.
Okay, the type in this case for a main function will be the type of an integer or a int.
I don't even know what that is.
Just type int. It's a number between. Well, you two gotta work together. I'm not managing that. You two work together.
Wait. INT. There's too many T's.
Okay, you two figure out who's typing. By the way, we don't know who's typing. No. Okay.
I have no idea.
Okay. Now. What's the file called? There'll need to be a space between it for one, and also it's not that.
Hang on, wait. File. Rose, what should the file be called?
No, bro. What is the file called? That you in
Oh, no,
right now?
Main.c.
Remove the .c and you're good.
Main.
Okay. Now in C, there is always parentheses to define a function.
Okay. What are
Yeah.
parentheses? Oh wait, no, wait. These.
Yeah. Then in C, they have the curly brackets to define the end and start of a function.
Do I put them in the parentheses?
No, outside the parentheses.
Okay, I can't see. Give me a second. Where's the torch? Here. Curly brackets. Here we go.
Oh my
1,
days.
2.
Okay. Now,
Rose, you can do the rest for line 1.
Now, okay, we're gonna have to go back into the parentheses. Every main function in C, because this is where the program starts, and every program takes inputs. So, we need to go back to the parentheses, as this needs to take inputs of what the program took in. And inside the parentheses, you need to add 2 arguments. One will be a int called argc, or argument count. And one will be a char pointer called argv. Now, this is argument vector, basically. So it's a array of an array for what you need to care about, basically. Which, I'll explain what that means if you don't get it. Just tell me if you don't get it.
I am completely lost.
I don't get it.
Go into the damn parentheses.
Okay, there, parentheses.
Now, you need to define a int called argc.
Ints.
Now, when you're dealing with inputs in C, when you have more than one, you do a comma between them.
Comma.
Now, we need a char or character pointer. So, yep, and then a pointer is Shift 8 on your keyboard.
Shift 8. Do we need 2 pointers?
Yes, it's a pointer of a pointer, and then this is called argv. Now, that is valid code, but now I need you to go into the square brackets. I need you to add some code, please.
No, Rose, you do the square brackets.
Okay.
I need you to go in the square brackets, please.
In there.
Okay.
Okay.
Click enter twice. Both. Okay, good. Now I need you to type. So in C, when there's no issue, and we give 0 back, and to give something back from a function, you type in return and then what you want to return back. So what would we do here?
I don't know.
You
Also,
just.
Can I bring up something?
I cannot give direct code, and you cannot use any resources. So I'd have to explain concepts until you get it.
I have the stream open on the side, and I can only hear your voice echoing. I can't hear any of our voices echoing.
Your voice is probably pretty low. One
Let me
sec.
check.
Alright, try speaking now.
Hello.
Test 1, 2, 3.
How about that? Can you hear something?
Mate, you've upped the music too much. Oh, there we go.
Okay, I think that's a lot better.
Okay, you might be a bit louder than me now. My bad. Oh, we just.
Yeah, lower the Discord volume.
Okay, I think that's good. Is that good?
Let's see. Testing.
Testing.
Yeah, that's done.
Okay, that's good. Now, this is good progress. I need you to just. Okay. In C, when you want to give something back, you need to put in return and then what you want to give back. In this case, for a int main, which is the entry of the program, you need to put 0 to indicate no errors.
Can I do it right?
In C, when
C.
you want to give back a number, you put 0 and you put return and then the number or value you want to give back. In C, in this case, you'd want to give back 0.
You sound like an AI, man.
Oh, I'm just trying not to break out screaming already within the first 5 minutes of stream.
My
Well,
voice
it's gonna
is
be
too
pretty
loud on
hard
stream.
because, like, it's hard to understand anything you're saying. It just sounds like a bunch of technical gibberish.
Okay. To tell the computer that there was no errors, you need to give the computer the number 0. Okay, does that make sense?
Give the computer number 0.
Okay, but I typed in the number 0. I
But-
don't know what else
but-
to type in.
But to give the computer the number 0, int main has to return 0.
Okay,
It's almost been 10
like
minutes
this?
already. We've only written like.
Okay. Now, on every C file and every line that has code ends in a semicolon.
okay. Like this?
No, that's a colon.
Oh, whoops, like, there we go.
But that's also not the right spot. Okay, every bit of actual code ends in a semicolon.
Okay, is that better?
And that is valid C code, finally. All my days. What did it take to get any valid
Wait.
C code? How long did it take?
Who knows?
11 minutes?
Wow.
I couldn't do
Yeah,
this.
it's been almost 10 minutes
This
recording.
is going to take a long time.
Okay. Now, for anyone who may have just joined in, what we're doing here is, these two friends, they don't know how to program. I'm forcing them to make an entire language, but in C, and they don't know how to use C, and I have to teach everything by scratch. Okay.
Yeah, anyway, we know so far it's been like 10 minutes and Jenny's already screaming on the inside. I know that.
So
Yeah, it's only going to be a matter of time until that screaming becomes external.
okay, so we are closer than ever. We want a Hello World program.
Alright.
Can we do a Hello World? Is that not that difficult?
I can do my
Yeah, I
best.
think
It's not even that far off,
wait.
if I'm being honest.
Isn't it print hello world?
Okay, no, just no.
Something like that?
Just no, stop, please, before I kill someone. Okay, remove all that. First of all, it needs to be in. Remove all of that. Just get rid of it all. First of all, why is that there? Get rid of the square bracket. Okay, first of all, everything in C needs to be within a function. Int main is a function.
Oh, it's
Oh, so it's still going to be inside the bracket.
Stop typing shit. Let me finish speaking.
Okay, my apologies.
Now, anything within a function will be within the square brackets. Not the square, the curly brackets. And none of you are in the curly brackets.
What are curly
Oh.
brackets?
I think I get the point now.
And anything after return is never ran, because a return is when the code ends.
Oh, okay. So
This is gonna take at least like 20
we gotta
weeks.
put
Okay.
it in here then.
And that's just, no. Okay, remove that for a bit, remove that for now, You got the right track, but no. Just remove the whole line. We need to do something
Okay.
beforehand. We need to add a header file.
Oh, what?
How do we do that?
We need to add some room before.
Which line are we supposed to even be doing
You
this
need
on?
to add before the function. You need to add before the function. I have
What's
to try to
add
explain
before
to
the
you
function?
You gotta need to add it before the main function. I'm just gonna have to chat. I'm just gonna have to let them figure it out. I don't know what you want me to say.
Yeah, of course you have to let
You
us
have
figure
to
it
add
out.
it before the main function.
So do I go?
I can't tell you the answers.
I'm confused.
You have to add it before the main function, please. There's one function in the file.
There's one.
Oh wait, I just realized that I
Fine.
forgot to record bad.
There's no functions
It's
in the
bro,
file.
I've got 13 minutes of footage anyway. Don't worry.
They're not allowed to use Google.
Um,
They're not allowed to use Google.
Do you wanna even like stream my screen to Discord?
No, it's fine. Just tell me.
Okay. Tell you what?
You
What am I
need
telling
to
you?
add something before the main function. And remember,
Well, do I go?
functions are
Alright,
defined by type, name, and the inputs, then the curly brackets.
Type. Type.
To import a header,
Main.
oh my days, you're actually so stupid. Get rid of that. You're not.
What?
What do you think the type is? The type is already there.
Well, what do you?
Remove
Main.
main. Main is bro. Are you blind? The line. Undo it. Okay. To add a header. Bro, remove it.
Right, so wait,
add
wait,
a
go
header to a C file, you need to use the hashtag and the import.
Is import with? Yeah, import. Yeah.
Don't tell them,
Header?
chat. Don't tell them.
Did I do
Don't
it?
tell them, chat. No,
I
that's
do it?
actually wrong. That's wrong. Don't tell them,
Oh.
chat. Don't tell them. Don't tell
No,
them.
no, we can't Google. We can't.
Don't
Chat
tell
don't
them,
help
chat,
us.
please.
Tell me.
Okay, I lied. It's not hashtag import. It's include.
Rose, we can't ask the
It's
viewers for help.
include.
I know, I'm
It's
just
hashtag
messing around.
include. I'm messing with you.
Include header.
No. Okay, what do you think a header is? A header is a type of file. So you need to
Include
include we need to include a certain header. So by this, if you want to include a header,
Include header.
if we want to
What are you
include a
looking
header
at?
that is in the standard library, which will contain the basic tools we need for this, we are going to need you to use shift and
Need
comma
to
to create that little symbol to then import the type
My
of header we
brain
need.
isn't braining. My brain isn't braining. All right, what did you say? What did you say before? I'm so
Shift
sorry.
and comma, please.
Shift and comma. Okay, shift comma there.
Okay, now, we need to stop, please, stop. We need to import something. We need to import something from the standard library, often shortened to the letters S, T, and D. Shut up. Stop typing.
I'm giving you free promotion right here.
I don't want free promotion. Stop typing.
Okay.
You need to use the letters. So, you don't need to use the... Okay. We need to include the library called Standard Library. No, it's called Standard Library IO. And Standard Library is often shortened to S, T, and D.
Wait, you're tricking us, aren't you?
Please. It's often shortened to S, T, and D.
STD.
And we are looking for the IO header.
IO header.
Chat, not that type of one. Shut up. Bro, what, you... Okay, we are looking for the STDIO header, please. No. Okay. Now, headers are a type of file. So, when we're saying something is a type of file, what do we use to do that, at least on Windows? Oh my fucking...
File manager?
What
I
is
don't
it's you used it there. What is it? What is
know.
before
File
exe?
Explorer, got it.
What is before exe?
Dot?
File Explorer.
Oh my fucking god. What separates File Explorer and exe?
Dot.
Dot.
Dot, and then header is shortened to H.
Oh, we
Please.
did
Okay,
it.
just close it. Close it.
Oh wait,
Close it. Who? Okay.
There.
Oh my fucking. They're not both on the same line.
no. What?
We're gonna be here all night. Oh my days.
There.
Alright, I think we got it.
All my days. All my days. Okay, I can't say if you got it right, but I can say there's no errors shown on my side, so that's good.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
I don't care. Just remove that and put some real code. Now, in C, okay?
You didn't see anything.
In C, the standard library IO has a function called printf. That means print formatted, and why did my model disconnect for a second?
Oh wait, line 3 are we talking about? Line 2.
Why the fuck would it be on line 2? That's not even a fucking function! That's before the function's defined! Please! Gonna go crazy. Please, just... Okay.
Line
Crazy?
3
I was crazy once.
was...
They locked me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber
We
room
haven't
with
even
rats.
got a hello
And rats
world
make me
yet!
Crazy.
Well, we're not coders!
No!
There we go.
No! No! Okay, you're so close, In the standard library,
Yo, we
okay?
actually got 7 viewers on Twitch. I just saw that.
Shut
right
up,
now.
I don't want to know, I'm gonna get anxiety.
It's 7 people watching.
Shut
us
up!
fail miserably.
This might end
I
up
need
being
you
your most
to,
popular stream yet.
from the standard IO library, use a function that is print formatted. And
Mate,
it's
for me, you're
shortened
speaking
to
absolute
print and a
gibberish.
letter. What do you think that letter is?
T?
Okay. You're so close. But what's there's a fucking string in the way.
There's a what? There's a what?
Who typed hello world there?
Not me.
Okay,
A guilty as charged.
please. Okay, we need to use the function inside of the standard IO library that is called print
Bro,
formatted.
that is absolute gibberish. What is the standard IO library?
What you
All I know is a library
included?
where you go and read books.
What did you think you included? It has some standardized things that are OS independent that you can do between computers. So I need you to, from there, oh my fucking god, I swear I'm actually going to kill you. I need you to just lock the fuck in. I need you to
No.
use the print formatted function that is shortened to print and then a letter. Then in
Print
C, when you're calling a function, you put parentheses
Bombastic
and then the inputs.
Parentheses. What are parentheses? Oh, yes,
Like this?
parentheses.
Did someone just say what is parentheses?
I'm tired. Okay.
Okay. Now, what do we want to print? What do you guys want to print? Anything. Just print anything. I don't even care anymore.
No, just print. Subscribe to Jenny on YouTube.
No, I don't even care anymore. Just, okay. Now, at the end of the string, we're going to need something called a line ending.
Fine.
I swear, Insane Darkspark, I'm actually going to kill you.
Well, you said we need a line ending, so I wrote
You need a line
ending
ending at
because we
the
need it.
end of what you want to say, which is
Like this?
inside the string and is
What is a line
defined-
ending?
and is defined
What do I write for
by
a line ending?
\R\N on Windows.
/N on Windows.
Oh my
Shift N on Windows.
/R and /N on Windows.
Wait, how do I get backslash again there? No, that's the other one.
You don't know how to do /. Oh my fucking god. Please.
Backslash.
Who put a space?
Me, because I don't you space?
Okay. Okay. What are we missing?
End parentheses.
We already ended it. What does the return have that this doesn't? Please.
What does the return have that this doesn't?
No, please. The fucking last line, the last letter of the return.
Oh. That. No, wait, the other one. There.
Oh my fucking god.
Ow!
Please.
That.
Okay. Save it. I'm gonna save it. Okay. Okay, your code worked. It printed Hello World.
Wait.
Wait. Can I just quickly,
Congratulations, we printed a Hello World. It only took 25
Hooray.
minutes! They will hate
my
programming
bad.
after this. Good! Good, they don't deserve it. Okay. Now, do you remember the goal? We are making a programming language. What do you need for a programming language? What do we need to do? Why are you defining another main function?
I don't know.
Just tell me, what do you need to do to make another language? Like, what's the first thing it does? Like, what are you writing into right now? What is this called? What is main.c is a what?
What is it called? It is.
No, bro. Main.c is a what?
Function.
C is a function.
No, main.c.
Function?
Main.c, it's a sub library.
My fucking god.
I don't know. What is main.c? I don't know this coding nonsense.
What is everything stored inside of a computer? It starts with
file?
F.
It's the name of the file, right?
Yes, main.c is a file. And when we are compiling it, we read the main.c file. So, what's the first step of making a language?
What's the first step?
It's to create a new file.
What are we gonna be creating? We don't even have the language or what the user wanted us to do with it. That's not even how C works. That's how Python works, and nobody likes Python. Don't worry that I use Python as a linker.
I mean, you did ask what language. I selected English.
Oh, I told you, what's the first step of making it? I don't want you to type anything. Just tell me to my face. What would be the first step?
The first step is
Create a file.
to think.
What file are you going to be creating? You don't...
A language file.
Yes,
Language.c.
But what will your code do with an empty file? So, tell me, what is the first step of your code turning someone else's code into more code?
Duplicating the code.
Which is called...
Copy paste.
My brain is fried.
It starts with O, please. It starts with O.
Oh.
Mm.
Out cap.
O file location.
Out.
Please.
Output.
Oh my days, bro!
Say hello to your members of chat. People are saying
Hi,
sup.
chat, whatever. I'm trying to log in. It starts with what? It starts with what?
Interact with the chat.
Okay, it starts with O, and it's what you need to do to get the contents of a file.
The contents of a file. Directories.
What the fuck are you on about?
It's 11:01 p.m., man.
Early hours, early hours. Oh my god.
Man, I'm gonna fall asleep right here. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Early fucking hours, please.
Please, what? What do you want me to do? I'm utterly...
How do you get the contents of a file?
I have zero clue.
It starts with, it can either be O or an R.
Register.
What? What does that have to do with the contents of a file, bro? How do you get information off a piece of paper? Tell me. What do you do?
You write? You read, read.
Yes, you read the fucking file!
Read.
Now.
Sorry about vanishing, but I'm back now.
Okay. Why are you deleting the code here? You're breaking shit.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know that we needed that.
Oh my fucking... What do you think the end of the function is? Someone remove the printf. We don't need it anymore.
Alright.
Rose, you do that, because, you know, I don't want to touch the code, otherwise Jenny's going to yell at me.
Oh
No
my
way.
fucking god.
I'm stuck
Yeah,
in Jenny's basement.
I'm just joking.
Please. Okay. You're out of the function right now. You're not in any function. I need you to remove the read outside the function. That is nowhere near right. Okay.
Okay, so,
Now, wait. Just remove it. Just go back.
There you have.
End the function. End it. Just end the function. Okay. I need you to create a new function.
What is this new function called?
I need you to click enter twice first. I need you to create a new function that returns... Okay, it needs to return a char pointer. It needs to return a char pointer. The type is a char pointer.
A char pointer.
The type is a char pointer.
Include char pointer?
The type is a char. Just don't even remember the pointer. Just a char. The type is a char. The type is a char. Bro.
Oh, like charcoal?
Bro. C
What?
is organized as in type, name, inputs. So the type is char.
What?
Why the fuck is there int before it?
Who knows?
Please. Why are you putting it? Remove int.
.exe. It has stopped working.
Remove int. We want to return a char pointer. Why are you typing the return command? The type of the function is a char pointer. A pointer is shift 8. Okay. I need the name of the function. To be called read file. Why is there an int there? It just needs to be called read file. Why? You can't have a space. Okay. Put parentheses. We need inputs. We need inputs.
Okay, do we space or no?
We need more. We need one input. The input needs to be a char pointer path. There needs to be a space, I think.
I think so.
No, then why is there an end? There needs to be a space. Yes, that's where the space needs to be. What? How do you define where a function starts and ends? Tell me.
How does a function start and end?
You have an example above it. Above it.
Int main.
Int is a type, and main is the name.
Then int argc.
That is a input. This has its own inputs. Please. Chat, I know I'm already tweaking, but come on. Oh, what is around return 0? What is around both sides of return 0?
Parentheses?
In C, function start and end. Yes, yeah, okay. Remove the semicolon. We don't need the semicolon, please, please, please. We do not need a line ending. Why is there 2? We do not need a line ending. We don't need a line ending. Please remove the line ending. Remove the line. Yes. Why? What are you doing?
You told me to remove the line ending?
You removed the square bracket. That is not a line ending. Oh my fucking god. All my days. Remove the end of command function. Otherwise, in C, this is a
What is
semicolon.
end of command function?
In C, this is a semicolon.
Here comes the money.
In C, it's the semicolon. It is not needed after and around square brackets.
After around square brackets.
Okay. Okay. No
think
more errors at
I'm
least.
lost.
Now,
Oh my goodness.
we need to put code inside of read file. Please. We need to put code inside of read file. Hurry up.
Where?
Why the fuck would you put it inside the inputs? That is where you put the code, but you don't just put code there. How is the computer gonna know
Well,
what you're
but you
talking
told
about?
You told us to put code in there, and that's
Oh my
what we
fucking
did.
god. I need you to put, I need you there, okay, I need you there to open a file using something called fstream. A function called fstream. F stream.
All right.
Oh my fucking god, oh my days. Hurry up. Bro, I can't take a trillion. How the fuck?
What are we supposed to write? Can we at least get some like
I need,
little
it's a function.
assistance?
It's a function, I think. It's a function in C.
Is it
Have,
like
you, have
that?
you even told us the rules?
Put a
You haven't even told us the
parentheses.
rules.
I'm trying to explain to you the functions, but you don't get it because you're so stupid.
We're not
Oh, actually, it's
stupid,
not that because we're
coding
stupid.
isn't
It's
our
because
thing,
you haven't
that's
given
all.
us any fucking guidelines.
Put how have we done inputs every single time before this?
Parentheses. How many parentheses do you want?
We need
Look at the parentheses.
One
There's
parentheses around F
parentheses.
stream. Oh my days, bro. We just need the inputs for F stream.
Where do I find inputs for F stream?
How have we done inputs for everything before this?
I don't know. It's 11:11.
Royal is
My
right.
brain is
It's that.
fried. I need sleep. I haven't slept in
Then go to
basically
fucking sleep.
20 hours.
Go
I
to
will
sleep.
soon,
Don't put
but I
int in
need
there.
to.
Don't put int in there. Get out of there.
Alright, get rid of the int. Okay.
Okay,
parentheses.
okay.
Now what do we type?
Okay. We need to put the path of the file.
Path of.
Oh my fucking god.
What do you want me to do?
Look at the function input. What is there?
What is the function? F stream.
Oh my fucking god.
Chart,
What is
chart,
after
chart.
read file? What is in the parentheses?
Ding.
That's the type. You do not need to define the type every time you use a variable. You only
Okay, I'll
need
get rid of
the
it.
name.
Path.
Oh my days. Okay. Go to
Oh my goodness.
go to after path where Rose Royal is, please. We need to add one more input, I believe, from memory.
How do I do that?
A
What's
comma.
including?
A comma. In the parentheses, please.
Yeah, I did. Alright, I already did it. In the parentheses. It's in the parentheses.
Now. Oh my days. Oh, what's the thing called? Wait, don't look at my stream because I'll be giving you answers then. Stay away from my stream. I'm actually gonna blank my screen then.
Chat, type 1 if you are enjoying this amazing content.
Is that even a C function?
Did you hide your screen?
I hid my screen because I'm looking up references so I can teach you better.
Let's see if chat was even listening to me. Let's see if they typed 1. I should check the YouTube chat too. Unless my
Okay,
Twitch
good thing for you
is
guys, it's
off.
even easier in C.
Is that a good thing?
It's even
Nothing
easier
seems
in
easy
C.
in C.
Okay, remove the F stream, it's not needed. It's even easier in C.
Okay, remove F stream. Okay.
And its inputs. Why?
Why what? Isn't that
What?
the input?
Stop! 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 We just needed to remove F stream. What did you remove?
Nothing.
What defines the start and end of a function?
Square bracket.
Semicolon thingamabobs,
Yes.
the curly squiggly.
You removed the square brackets.
It was an accident. Sorry.
We need... Okay, within the function, we need to put an even easier line of code. F
An easier.
open is the function we want. We got
Like
file open. We want parentheses. After you broke it.
I fixed it.
After how could you be so stupid?
After what, mate?
How have we done inputs for the entire fucking script? What are you doing? Actually, what are you doing? That is
You like
the
that?
inputs to a function. We do not input more than path into read file. We want to go into the code of read file. So that is within the square brackets. Can you shut up, Insane Darkspark, before I kick you from the damn challenge?
I mean, you told me to go into the inside.
That's a
of the
bit
square
extreme,
file.
isn't it?
I need you to be inside of the read file function. And I need you to call...
But how do I go inside of the read file
You
function?
already are! As long as your thing is within the square brackets. And I wonder where it is.
Square bracket.
Fucking God. Now, I need you to call the function fopen, and this is done inside of C by typing the function and then parentheses and its inputs.
Well, is read file the function?
We need to call a function called fopen.
F open.
And in C, all inputs to a function are inside of parentheses.
Inside of parentheses, sir. Parentheses.
After its name. After its name. Yes, Roswell gets it. Oh my fucking God. It should, after you type in the parentheses, come up with auto recommendations for what to say.
How do we do that?
Just hover over it. Just hover over it and it'll tell you things to say.
Do I have it over open?
Oh my fucking God. Okay. I need you to put the file name in there. So, what's the file path? What is the file path? What are we trying to open here?
Read file.
What is that input?
Char.
That's a type. Everything in
Then
C
read
goes
file.
type name. Okay. The mode. So, we have another
mode.
input. What do we do when there's two inputs in C?
Unlock the third input.
What are you doing? No!
I'm just
I
saying.
can't even get them to open a damn
file.
file.
Hey, chat, are you still
remove the
here? Or are
type,
you
remove
just
the
gone?
type,
Have you
remove the
gone
type.
because of this
Are you
stupid-
still here watching our stuff?
Remove the type.
Okay.
Okay. After the type, after it's been defined, you only need the name to talk about its existence. Now, what do we do when there's more than one input elsewhere in the file?
You include the other input as well?
And what in between it?
Semicolon. Or a comma,
Inputs
comma?
are in parentheses. And between two inputs, there is always consistently a comma.
semicolon?
Oh, a
comma.
comma. Ah.
I get where you... Actually, no, I don't get where you're coming from.
Okay,
I
you
mean, I'm
can't
too
look at my
tired to
screen,
even
by the way.
understand this. I'm just going with the flow. I'm not looking at your screen. I'm reading chat because, you know, I'm doing your job.
1 sec then.
I mean, chat's barely active anyway.
Okay. You need to give it a single letter. What are you doing?
Mate, there used
What
to be
are
8
you
people, now
doing?
it's 5 people. What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm coding.
What's the file? What's the function called? What are you doing? What do you want to do?
Open read file.
What does read? What do you think read file does?
Reads the file.
So, to do that, you need to use a command word that starts with the first letter of what you're doing, and it has what's the right word for this? What are these called? Okay, it has The same thing that the Hello World had on both sides around it.
Is it?
Quotation marks?
Yeah.
Yes! And what are you doing? What are you doing?
Reading?
Adding a single letter?
We're reading, and we only want the first letter of what you're doing.
Ah.
Okay. Now, we need to store the output of fopen. Now, the output of a function can be stored by going to the start of the function and making the output as a new variable by putting type name equal to.
Where do we go for that?
Before the function is actually called.
So, before fopen?
Then, fopen returns a file type. So you just do type name equal to, and then that.
What's the type?
It's fopen returns a type of file in caps.
Yeah, I think Rose is gone. It's just me now.
But whatever. Just, oh my fucking god, one sec. I gotta black out my screen for one damn second. Chat window is broken. Oh, what the hell? Chat window. Who said chat window is broken? How dare it break? Okay.
Chat, type 1 if you're still here. I wanna see the true fans. If you don't type 1, you're not a true fan.
Now, okay. You. Lock the fuck in right now. I personally need you to before I need you to make sure you hear me before you call fopen.
Alright.
Before you call fopen, but
Yeah.
still inside of read file.
Sorry guys, I'm yawning. I'm really tired. Jenny's got me locked in the basement. No, I'm kidding.
I need you to be before read file, and I need to be before fopen and in file. Fuck's sake.
There.
What does fopen return?
Path. Ah.
I told you 6 times now. What does it return?
Reads. It returns a.
Hover over it.
It returns. File underscore file name constant char mode.
That is its
Sorry
input.
about.
What does it return?
I'm hovering over. I'm hovering over.
If you hover over, what does it say before fopen? Because files are defined, because functions in C are defined type name then input.
Huh?
Functions in C are defined type name then input. Why are you typing that in? Are you even listening to me?
Yeah, type. You said type. It's type their names and inputs.
So, okay, what do you think I meant by that?
I don't know.
What do you think int main means? Int is a type! Why would you put int there? It does not return an int. Hover over F
Where do I
open.
put it?
What is the first thing you see?
File.
So what is the type?
This is just a whole lot of stress.
It's case sensitive.
What do you mean case sensitive?
What is the capitalization of the file when you hover over it? File, okay, what are we calling this variable? It can be anything.
Call it Jenny sucks.
Do that then, I don't give two shits. But there can't be a space in the name.
Alright, so do I space it from...
Where is it there? Okay, now, we simply need... Okay, we simply need the equals. We need to set it to, so we need to make this equal to. Then, finally, what do we do at the end of a damn file? What do we do at the end of a function? Every time at the end of a function, what do we do after we tell it to do one thing? I also called this a line ending before.
Wait, what's wrong here?
This is like maybe being like a bit too much
That?
to me. I don't know.
Oh my days.
My brain isn't braining chat, alright?
Yeah, neither is mine. This is too much.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
Too much to take in all at once.
What are you mad about? Wait a minute. What is that about? Oh. Okay. This is defined. Okay, this is a pointer, so that can't be done then. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna need you to change the ordering around. For one, before file, it's really annoying me. Please put an enter, so it's actually in a new line area. Please. Okay. Now, we need to separate the variable define and the setting of with a new function start. So how do we do that? Every time you do something, what do? What do you mean you don't know? It's 2 times done in the entire file. After almost every line with code in it, what have you put?
A semicolon?
So, if we want to separate defining the variable that you've called Jenny sucks and F open, where would you put it?
Yeah? No, wait.
Now, we still need to set the variable to that. So, on the next line, what would you do? No, oh my fucking god! You know you can make new lines at will, right? You're not stuck to one line.
I know, it's just...
My brain is confusion.
Go to the semicolon in the middle of... Before, go to the semicolon before the fucking equal sign.
Before the equal sign. Semicolon before, yeah.
Make a new line. Just every time there's a semicolon, do a new line after. It'll make your job so much easier. Now, what is the variable we just defined? We need to set something to something. We need to set something to fopen. So what did we just define?
Read.
What is after file in big caps? File what?
Jenny sucks.
So the variable name for the variable name is now. We need to set that to what?
I don't know.
What is on the line above
Here
it?
comes the money.
Here we go.
Cut out.
Money talk.
Please
Okay.
repeat.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Oh my fucking god. What is on the line above it?
Cheating, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't
Half
talking money.
F open.
So, if we want to set a variable to something, what would we do, considering how you have half the fucking line already there? Oh my fucking days. Please. It's already there.
Voice crack.
Look at line 8. What is it missing? Please tell me. Line 8, what is it missing? What is line 8? What are we trying to set to fopen here? What are we trying to do?
Half.
What does fopen return?
How do we do open return?
Hover over it. What does it return?
Hover over what?
fopen.
I'm hovering over it, nothing's showing.
Because you're trying to set nothing to fopen.
Then what am I supposed to do?
What did you do the line before it?
Semicolon? So do I do semicolon?
Oh my fucking god, just nuke the entire fucking file. We're gonna restart. I don't even give two shits anymore.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay. Get rid of your bullshit and your tomfoolery. What is the main function called? What is the main function called? What is the main function called? What is the first input of the main function? How did you input to C? Well, tell me, what's around them? I've said them trillions of times. What is around the main input? Okay, what's the inputs?
Bracket.
What did it have? What was the main inputs it had? Do you remember?
No.
The inputs it had were... It was an int. It was an integer. It was an integer. It was an integer. Why are you putting it? This is not a letter. It's a int int a int yes, a integer.
Yay.
Now it doesn't matter the name, but it's normally called argument count or argument a letter. What? Yes. Okay. Do you remember what's next? There's no type. everything in C goes type, name, and then further context. No, it's not an int. It's not an int. Please, it's not an int.
Can you give me a hint?
We are getting a vector of letters or characters, and a vector is simply a pointer leading to a pointer, or a pointer.
Oh.
And this one is called argument vector or arg. Yes, okay. Please, just, what do you put on, how do we define a function? Okay, next damn line, please. Okay. What do we return to say there's been no errors? Who removed? Why are you there? What are you doing? You're not getting no help from chat. Okay, what do you return?
Chat, say 1 if you're still here.
What do you return? Okay. You return 0 for no error.
Yeah, I'm actually still here. Oh yeah, return 0 that.
Now we need
Am
to
I
define a new function.
Yeah.
A new function so that a new function would not be within int main. Chat, please help all my days.
No,
A
wait,
new
wait.
function. Oh my days. Okay. Why? This new function is going to be of the type
Welcome back, chat. Welcome
char
back.
pointer. It's going to be the type char pointer.
I did.
I'm
I
going to
typed
ask this
something.
kindly. Why the fuck is there parentheses there?
Your mum.
Oh.
How many people are even here watching this shit? Why is there parentheses? Why is there parentheses?
Oh no. Oh no. There.
Now, that is the type. This is a char pointer.
It's a char pointer, okay.
What do you want the name of the variable to be? Type, name, inputs. What's happening? We ended up restarting because apparently they didn't understand what their own code did anymore.
I think your chat's I think your stream's muted, dude.
My
Is it
stream is
muted,
not
chat?
muted, thank you.
Well, for me it is.
What?
Let me try. I hate the Twitch app.
I wouldn't be able to tell because my volume's so low for me.
Oh, I muted it accidentally. Here we go.
Anyways, lock in.
Alright, char, yes.
What do you want to name the function that reads files, please?
Jenny sucks. That's
It
the
needs
name.
to have anything to do with what you're about to do. Please, anything. Hello? Are you even listening? It needs to have anything to do with what you're about to do. And what you're about to do is read a fucking file.
Oh. Correct?
Now, in C, everything goes type, which you've done, which is a char pointer.
Yep.
Name, which you've done, which is read file. And input, which is in the parentheses. Having said,
No, we've got parentheses.
who typed a random ass thing without comments around it? Okay, parentheses. You need parentheses before the inputs, please. Now,
Parentheses.
the only input is going to be a list of characters, otherwise known as a character pointer. Hello?
No, no. I'm tired. Can I please leave?
Then Roosevelt is gonna have to kick in. Roosevelt, okay. Then we're gonna need the replacement one. Roosevelt, but one sec.
No. I'll join back next
I'll
stream.
be back. One sec.
Don't
Something's
worry.
going on.
All right. So chat, make sure to like and subscribe to Jenny. 'Cause Jenny's the best YouTuber ever, and Twitch streamer. Am I right? Chat, please agree with me.
Oh, I agree.
See, chat's saying true.
Very nice. Glad to see all
Max
this.
is saying true. And full caps too. See, I'm tired. And I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm going to head to bed because, it's getting late and I'm tired. I haven't slept in like 20
What happened? I
hours.
was gone for 5 seconds. What happened?
I'm just saying goodbye to chat.
Okay. See ya, Insane Dark Spark. Okay.
Alright,
is
see ya. I'll
Rose
see you
the
next
Royal
stream
even
where
here?
I'll continue this next stream, alright?
Okay.
Alright,
Rose the
bye
Royal,
bye.
are you still here?
Yes.
Chat, say bye to me, please. I need
I'll
my-
try not to get as mad. How about that? I'll try my best.
I want-
I don't know. This
Damn.
is, like,
No,
this
just
is
say
just
say
too
bye
much
without
to
the
figure
sex
out all
bit
at
over
once. Sorry.
Okay. Roosevelt, I think you can do this. You're not as dumb as Insane Dark Spark.
I'm still here, you idiot.
Oh, what do you
You
mean?
I
you're
fucking-
still do, but
What do
I.
you mean you're
but
still
I
here?
thought have
how
about the
fuck do I
same
take you
knowledge
from the
level.
call? What do you mean you're still here? I don't think anyone's here. I don't. Insane Dark Spark, but my phone died. One sec, my tracking setup died. Okay, wait, Roosevelt. I think you can do this. Just you're gonna need to lock in. One sec. Guys, I think.
But I don't know what anything is.
Okay, just listen to me. It's gonna like this until my phone charges. In the parentheses, which is where the input is, okay?
Okay.
In the parentheses, which is where the inputs are, we only need one, which is a char pointer or a char shift 8. Now everything in C goes type, name, then further context. So this will go type, space, and then the name. So what do you want to call it? This is going to be the path to the file. So you can call it whatever to do.
Baked beans.
Good enough. Whatever, that works. Now you got it. What do you do? What's red right now? What's red?
The bracket.
Close enough. Just how would you reckon you would fix that? Just take a guess.
Like this.
Okay, we're on the right track. Now, oh, why did this pause? Now I need you to do one more thing.
And what is that?
How
is
did we
it-
start and end a function?
Oh yeah, the C.
Now. Just click enter. It's not really needed, but it makes the code look better. Okay.
There we go.
Now, what we need to do is we need to define a pointer of type file in all caps. So, so everything goes type, name, more context. So if the type
Okay.
is file in all caps, what would you type? Okay. Now, what's the name gonna be? That's no. What's the name gonna be? It can't be the same as your input.
Okay.
Okay, that works. Now, this is the end of the define. So what do you do at the end of everything you tell it to do? Yes,
this.
okay, you're learning.
More
Chat-
than dark
No, wait, we
sparkles?
actually might get something done. Okay, this might want something. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go do this, simply because you had it before and then I deleted it because I got mad. Okay. Now, click enter, please. What are you doing? Just go to the next line. Just go to the next. No, not that, bro. From here, where you were, just go to the next line. Yeah, here. I need you to set spaghetti to something. So how would you? No. Using a math equation, how would you set? How would you set something to something?
Spaghetti equals
Okay. I don't.
0.
Let me check. No, wait. Let me check. Okay. Chat, you're wrong. Remove the 0. Now, to open a file, you need to use F open.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money
Okay.
talk.
Here comes the money.
Okay.
Money, money, money.
We might be getting somewhere. We might be the redemption arc of this stream. There's no way. Come on, you got this. Okay. The function fopen takes the path, which is our only input, and a single letter, which we can worry about in a second. Let me see. That's not what it says here, but I can't. That's not what it says. That's not what it says on this page. Wait. Chat. It's either the page is wrong or you're wrong, and we'll find out in a second. Okay, so when we have inputs, okay, chat. When we in chat. Okay, Roosevelt. When we have inputs to a function,
Here comes the money.
what do we put?
Here we go. Money talk.
Spam. Here comes the money, and get out of it. When we have inputs to anything, what is there to see?
Brackets.
Okay. What's the only import we had into this function?
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Spammed
Money
it.
talk.
Here comes the money.
That would be
I'm gonna shut that down. Okay. What's the only input we had into read file, please?
Would that be char shift 8
What?
or baked beans?
Okay. We
Or
just need the
spaghetti.
name. Type in the name of the input, please. No, not that one. That's not an input. That's a define.
No,
that's a type.
no.
There's everything goes type name. Then everything goes type name. Then why are you
Wait,
doing
what
F
am I
open?
doing? I
Type
don't know.
Name. So the only input to this would be called what? And all the inputs are in brackets. So the only input to read file would be called what? Bro, come on, please. You're so close and so far. You were so close like 5 seconds ago.
Hmm.
It goes type, and then name.
Okay.
So, no, stop doing that. So, in the parentheses, what do you see after read file?
I see charged up, but that's not what you said it was.
It goes type, then name. So the name would
Okay.
be... What? So the name would be... So the name would be... Chat.
I don't
Shut up.
know.
I highlighted it.
Mm.
So the name would be...
B.
So the name would... Okay. If we ignore the first part of what's after the parentheses, what's after that?
Baked beans.
Just put that in. So that is its name, and char pointer is its type.
Read file.
So the type of read file is char pointer. Please. You're so close. You're so close. Well. Okay. In the parentheses, what's the second word?
I'm so lost.
Okay. Read file, parentheses. What's the second word after the parentheses? The second word, that's not the second word, that's a part of the first word. Word by word, I'm just counting any space. Yes, okay, you're so close. So, just the second part, please. That's spelled wrong. That's spelled wrong. Okay, that's the first part done.
I thought it wasn't baked beans, though.
It was baked beans, it's not char star. Now, when there's more than one input, we what? Okay. Now this one's going to be quotation marks. It's in quotation marks because it's a string, I guess. We are opening this in read mode, which is R in this context. I can say that. Chat, I'm allowed to say that. Okay, how do we end a string? How do you end a quote when you quote something? How do we end the brackets? No, what? How do we? Okay, wait, what have you done it? Okay, what? How do we end a quote when we're quoting someone? What do we do? Yes.
Uh-oh, the
Put a
cat's
semi-
getting near my...
Put it end of
Keyboard.
line. I can't hear what you're saying. One second, I need to boost your volume for you.
Sorry, it's just getting a bit hard right now because my cat is begging for my attention and she's getting dangerously close to the keyboard.
Okay, wait. Okay. We're so close to glory. I think chat was actually right. I think you need to change file to a pointer. No, don't delete that. What are you doing? That's the wrong part.
cat-
That's not the define.
The cat.
Just do Z. Control Z.
Okay, what are you doing? Ashes, no!
So how's all my members
Come
of
on,
chat
I'm
doing?
taking you out. I'm taking you out back.
You taking the cat out back?
Ah! Whenever I try to pick her up, she always scratches me.
What the hell?
She does not want to leave.
Alright, I'll get your code back. I'll get your code back. Okay. I just need you to do one simple change.
Yeah, what is it?
I will put in a comment.
Please don't annoy me again, okay, Ashes? Okay, what is it?
Okay, please, please. Chat was right. Whoever said that in chat, you were actually right, and I'm sorry for ever doubting you. Not there. And it does not have to do with line 7 at all. Line 7 is nothing to do with this.
Okay.
Read what the comment says and look at whatever looks something like it in that line, please.
Okay.
Okay, wait, haven't changed it. Now the code will work on the computers.
Oh wait, hang on. What?
Oh, have you said?
What?
Oh, click numpad 0.
Okay.
Okay, we're so close. We are so close. We're so close. Please. Yes! Finally!
Does this mean I get to go home now?
No, we still need to build an entire language. Please,
I've already
okay.
done over multiple streams though.
Yeah, but I need to at least read a file. We haven't even read a file yet. We just opened it. Okay, okay. Let's look at this. Okay. Okay, so how to do F open. Okay, so don't look at my screen because it's all spoilers on how to do it, and that's cheating. So we'll look here. Okay, I need you to do an if condition. Can we do that?
I can try.
You done an if in Python?
Maybe, but it's been so long.
It's very similar. But we need to go to after we define spaghetti with the F open. After we use F open, what do we do?
No idea.
Okay, just...
This is gonna be a very boring video when you cut it down.
Don't worry, there's gonna be crazy parts. Just... Okay, just... Wait,
I
can we
am
go
not
to the
motivated
end of
at
line
all for
7?
this.
I have no idea what you just said. Sorry, what?
I said I'm not motivated at all for this.
Don't worry, motivation only becomes after. Just go to the end of line 7, please. I can't tell you what to code, but I can give you hints.
This isn't fun.
It will be fun once you learn. I don't know.
How do you enjoy this?
Well, I usually don't have a crazy person screaming at you on the other side of the line.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. What have we done
So you don't know my...
Sorry, what?
You don't know my pain.
I know your pain, but I just learned. Okay, after every semicolon, what has there been in the entire code? What if we clicked after doing semicolon? Very close, but not what I meant. Yeah, okay. Okay. I need you to do a if spaghetti is equal to is equal to null. So we need to do an if. We need to do an if, so we can't do that yet. We need to do an if. Not capitalized, just two normal letters. Now, in C, in inputs to even keywords like if are in parentheses.
Okay.
Okay, we're so close. Now, doing the equal sign will set spaghetti to whatever's here. But if you do it twice, it will check if spaghetti is equal to whatever's there. So you need to have two equals for this. I can put comments because I'm allowed to do that. So you need to do...
This is all gibberish.
Look. 1 and 2 together checks it the same. Please, we're so close.
Is anyone even watching this anymore? This is just watching my suffering.
Please, we're so close. Who even cares if anyone's watching?
I just...
Bro, okay.
I had second thoughts ages ago about this.
What is the only difference between your code and what's above it?
Are you even listening?
I'm listening, but I can't just... Nobody will be here, and I can't type in it, so I need to get something done, please. And I can't tell you directly what to do. And I don't have anyone who's watching who probably doesn't know how to program already. Who played that? Come on, we're so close. What have you... You've added a space between the two equals, by the way. Please, we're so close yet so far. I just need to do space and then null. You just need to put null and we're almost there. No, N-U-L-L, N-U-L-L, N-U-L-L. N-U-L-L. Oh my fucking god. Just put 0. Just put 0 there. Just put... Yeah, that works. 0 or null, whatever. And then just... Okay. Okay. What do we do at the end of every input? After doing all the inputs, what do we do after? Why is that? Okay, one sec. I think this has to be capitalized, but that's not your fault. It does. Okay, just make sure this is capitalized from now on. Okay, now what do we do? Because this is now a function define. What do you do after every function? Define. How do we know when the function starts and ends? No. How do we know when the function starts and ends? No. How do we know when a function starts and ends?
What?
How do we know when a function starts and ends? Yes. Now. We'll do enter to make it more clear what's going on, okay? Oh, so, we need to check if it's equal to null. Now, in this case, we return null. So, we just need to give back null. Because we need to tell it we couldn't do it. My days. Thank God, we remembered something. Okay, we're so close, we're so close. We are actually cooking. Chat, we are almost reading a file, maybe. We're almost reading a file. What to do after every single line? Okay. Now, we need to get out of the if. So where would the if end? Where would the if end? Where would the if end?
I don't know.
What defines when it starts and ends? It's quite literally color coded. It's color coded, please. Yeah, okay, we already have it though. It's color coded. Okay. Functions are yellow and ifs are purple. Please, oh my days. Okay, that's outside both the if and the function. That's in the if and in the function. Yes, okay. Just do enter for clarity, please. Okay. We're so close. I do need to end the stream at some point, so we're very close, very close. No. Okay. We, for simplicity's sake, are going to, we're going to take a set file size, okay? So, we're going to need to do char. We're gonna need a char, and we're gonna need a name. So call it whatever. I'd call it a buffer because it's a buffer. That's what we're doing. This will be the buffer. So now in C, I'm gonna put above it. In C, when creating an array that's pre-defined, you can use after the name to do such. Okay, so I need you to set the array size. We make this an array, and the size needs to be I'll do 512. We'll say 512. We're so close. What have you missed? Look at, read the line above it.
Okay,
Okay. What do we do after every line? What do we do? Please, we're so close. We are so close. Okay. Now, all we need to do is, let's have a look. I'm trying to see what this does. Okay, we are going to need to do I wonder what happens if we just do that. Okay, well, we're gonna do the way the tutorial says, because I don't actually know what this check here is looking for. Oh, I see. Okay, never mind. I know what it's checking for. Don't worry about it. Okay, just put. So the next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna call a command called puts. P-U-T-S. It's a function called P-U-T-S.
okay, P-U-T-S.
Okay. Now, it's a function, so what is the input?
Huh?
Okay. And it inputs the buffer. It will input the buffer. Now, you can close that.
Okay.
Now, there's one more line that's really important.
Mm-hmm.
we're going to need to use fclose.
Yeah.
We're going to need to call fclose. It's a function called fclose, and it will input and it inputs the file pointer type. That's a char. That's not. It inputs the file pointer type. What is the file type in this code? That's a char. What is the file type in the code?
Spaghetti.
Okay. Now, just put a end that line. End that line. Now. Okay. Actually, we're gonna have to do this slightly different. Okay. I have a better way of doing this. You can actually remove the buff. Actually, just copy the buffer for now and then delete it. Copy both the buffer and the line above it.
Okay, hang on.
That's not.
What do I pick?
The
Why do
buffer,
I pick
line
them?
13 and line 12.
Oh. Hang on.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna need you to delete them after, because here's what we're doing. We're going to change the buffer type. We're gonna put it into the input. So go up to the input, and after baked beans, no, after baked beans, we need to add another input. We need to add another input. We need to add another input. How was it done in the main function? Tell me. What do we do between inputs? No, what do we do between inputs?
I don't remember.
What's in the main function? What's between argc and argv?
Oh,
What happened here? Okay, what did you even do? What the hell?
I think I
Okay,
removed
you're
one
not
of
meant
these.
to delete everything under it. You need to go back to baked beans.
Okay.
Okay, now we need you to add another one that is also the char pointer type. Char pointer buffer. Okay, now in the main function, we're actually going to add some code to the main function. We're going to add some code. Where does the code start and end? That's after the return. It will never be ran. What days, bro? In the main function, right there. Why is this here? That cannot be there. What is that? What is that? What?
I have no idea what's going on.
Just right here. Come on, I can do this with my eyes closed. This is very difficult.
Well, I can't. Just cut me some slack.
Okay. We need one final thing.
You're like school.
One final thing. That's when. Well, we need one final thing.
Yeah.
Oh, there. That's most likely. Your chat is actually cooking. Chat, you're cooking. Your chat's right. Anyways, we are going paste what you copied before. We need to paste that. Please.
Okay, where?
Where you are? Why else would you be there?
Oh.
Now, we need to call read file. You need to call read file. The function. You need to call.
How do I do that?
How have you
How do I
called
do
every
that?
other function that you haven't made? Such as fopen, puts, fclose.
Too much. Can I please just stop for the night?
You're so close, though. You're so close to actually getting something
know.
done.
Feels like slavery, just getting someone else to write your code for them against their will.
But the thing is, I'm not telling you everything to do. I'm just telling you what you need to put it together in your brain.
This is too much for me. Not everyone is a secret coder in heart.
Please, you're so close. Come on, we're so close.
I know, just please.
Don't give up
please.
hope yet. You're like 2 lines away from reading a file.
Mm.
It's all-
How do I call something? Just tell me.
Okay, look at F open. How did you call that?
Okay.
Look at puts. How did you call that? Look at F close. How did you call that?
Putting another line.
F, oh, the name and then what? What did you put after the name?
Name and then subject.
Name, what?
Name and then function.
Name, the name, then what?
Just tell me, please. I'm begging you.
What is... Starts with P. It starts with P. I can't tell you.
Please,
The cool
just.
friend is here.
I can't do this much longer. Like,
I can't
literally,
tell
if
you
if
though.
If you don't tell me, I'm just gonna leave the stream right now.
I'm not allowed to tell you.
Then this is too much. Please.
Just, bro, go to line 4. Go to the end of line 4. I'm gonna try to put it together for you. What do we do after these every single time? What do we do? Please.
I don't know.
After
Can I
every single, after every single
can I please
semicolon,
just
what have we
call-
done? We've
Can we please
clicked.
just call this experiment a failure and call it a night?
But we're so close to reading a file.
I know, I don't care though.
We're 2 lines away. We are literally 2 lines away.
Line smine.
Please, we're so close. I don't think you even see how close we are.
Well, I don't care how close we are. It's close enough, and I just wanna stop.
The function read file needs 1 more line, and you need 1 more line in main to actually read it. That's how close you are.
I'm so tempted to just leave right now. You're holding me hostage.
But you need 2 more lines. Come on, you got this.
Does it look like I have the mental capacity to understand what on earth I'm doing?
But if you do it for more than 1 time, you'll eventually understand it.
How can I understand what I'm doing if you're just telling me to throw stuff at the wall until I get it?
Because that's how humans learn.
It's easier to learn with resources.
But we
And
don't
you're
have
just telling
those,
me-
do we? I can only explain to you concepts of C. So I can tell you, you can do the next line right now perfectly fine. But
I
it wouldn't
regret
look
every
good.
second of this.
Just, come on. Okay. I need you to call the read file function that we defined undoing the script. Hey, you left! Oh. Yeah, no. That is not how humans have episode of that. Shut up, chat. Bro. Do you want to see how close you were to reading a file? Do you want to see how close you were? Actually, no, wait. I can't show you. I still can't show you because the rules say so. Bo. Okay, here's my issue now. I have literally no one to do this now. What do I do? Oh, we so close though. We're so close. Fuck's sake. What do I do? I don't know what to do now, bro. Okay. The rules were that they can't Google.
Here we go.
They can't. Oh,
Money
shut
talk.
on my day.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
The rules were that they can't Google. I have to tell them everything, and I can't write code for them. They have to write the code. I just have to somehow convey for them what to say in there. And we're 2 lines away. I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm just gonna put how close we were to reading a file because that's all I can do. Who is spamming these? Stop spamming these or I shut down the feature. Well, yeah, that failed. I'm gonna show you how close we were, okay? We literally read file, read file. I don't know, name.txt. That's the buffer. Return buffer. And I think that would work. That is how close we were to success. So close, bro. We were so close. Fuck's sake. I guess that's the end of streaming. What am I going to do now? Chat, what do you say we do? I don't know what to do. I don't want to end the stream yet. I'm not tired. Hello. Bro, did my chat just abandon me the second they left me too? Oh, how fun. At a glance, running that yields no visible result. Yes, it wouldn't give any visible result, but it would read the file and it would close it. You cannot tell me I'm wrong, but seriously though, what do I do now? Because I'm not tired, I want to continue streaming, but I don't know what to do, because that was the entire idea for today's stream. I don't know. Do you want me to go rant about fucking vibe coding, the dumbassery that is? Oh yeah. But my apps are so slow. It's not my fault, trust me. Oh, it's already connected, okay. That's right, I'm back. What do I do now? Don't give a shit phone. Yeah, okay. Let me rant about this. I don't like vibe coding. Because AI sucks at programming. It is only good at coding, and they are different things, and I will prove it. The reason why vibe coding and the reason why coding and programming are different things is because one is actually figuring out the logic and reasoning behind how to fix an issue, okay? And the other one is trying to figure out how to turn that logic and reasoning into like something that a compiler might be able to understand. Only the second step is what that's good at. And who said get out? I can't see because my model goes over it. Why are you still here? I thought you left hours ago. Oh wow. You're the one who left, so it'd actually be good if you come back around now, because the other one left, and I had to give up on that. I guess we can call that an experiment failure, right? The experiment did fail after all. What do I say? Just a suffer, I can't. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it. What even happened with the YouTube? Anyone? The YouTube's funny. Surprised you're still going. This one. Okay. So chat, what do you want me to do? What do we do right now? I showed up way late. I'm sure I missed a lot of important stuff. Yeah, okay, so... Oh, fuck. I cannot stream at 3 PM, bro. No, okay. So, I'm wondering, what kind of overview... Bro! Insane Dark Spark. Stop fucking talking for 5 damn seconds. I know. I can't do 3 PM. We'll talk about this in DMs, whatever. I'm trying to read actual important chat members, unlike you. So I'm wondering what kind of overview. Okay, so the task was they had to build something complex that I could build, but I couldn't directly tell them what to type in. I could only be like, this does this, and so in this case you would do this, and I can only say that once. So the idea was that I had to somehow convey the idea to someone so that they can talk. Stop fucking spamming that, or I'm fucking disabling them for everyone. Oh, it's not even useful in that circumstance. I'm in the middle talking. I'm gonna ban you soon, Insane Darkspark. What are you gonna do about that? Like, seriously, what are you gonna do about that? Anyways, the experiment failed, obviously. I think it's you. Entirely, it's you. Fuck me. Who is doing that? Is it the Cool Bread? Is it Haven Stranger? Why would it not be you is a better question. But you guys better stop that. I'm gonna start banning everyone again. You guys better stop that. I'm gonna start banning everyone. You can't stop me. I'm gonna ban everyone. Again. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not doing. I should probably switch off for software development anymore. I'm not doing that anymore, I guess. Just chatting. Well, I explained something and then you guys just wouldn't do it. But also, you told me you were going to bed 3 hours ago. So, I'm timing you out. I don't even care. But goodbye. You're going for the next week. Insane Darkspark. That's probably enough. What do you mean unable to time out user? What do you mean unable to time out user? Well, Goodbye, and I need to disable that. That's where it is. Delete. I'm free! Oh, the sounds. Oh, my days, bro. So, finally! Can I finally convey my point? The experiment failed. The experiment failed. And it was just me trying to get something to happen complexly that I would often struggle with. And I wanted to try to somehow convey the idea to them how to do it, but apparently C was too much. C was too much. Weak-willed people who are my friends that it's we're not programmers, they're not coders, and I'm guessing they didn't have a goal they could wrap their heads around. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, I didn't want them to be. I wanted to convey the idea of C by trying to get them to do a complex project. That's what I wanted to do, because that's how I learn languages. I go do something complex and I learn the language. That's how I learned C. I learned C by making an operating system in it. True story. That's how I learned C++. I learned C by also doing the same thing. That's how I learn languages. But if you don't know how to program, it might be a bit difficult to do that one. So it's like, that one's like a multi-month project. What should I call the stream now, though? Because we failed. I don't know. What do I even say anymore? What do I say? I don't know. I don't have much to say about it. I failed. What do you want me to say? Was my mic going off like for a little bit of background noise? Yeah, they did not get their heads around that, bro. Maybe it's because it's late. I don't know, bro. Well, you did write an operating system before. Right, well, you don't write an operating system before you know. Wait. Well, you don't write an operating system before you get where that. Before you get to where that's a goal you can wrap your head around. True, but also before writing that in C, I also had written one in assembly, so yeah, my learning language is backwards. I learned assembly before I learned C. True story. My life is a little bit of a long story with programming languages. And you know what? I'll still tell you, I hate Rust. I'll tell that to everyone. I hate Rust. I killed him. I'm just putting, for the context of a text file onto the screen for a non-coder. Takes a few minutes to get your head around I think. I get that. But that's I was trying to just like, okay, look, don't even worry about what this is doing. I just need you to run this function. Don't even worry about what it does. For you and me, it's barely a thought because we've done it so often. Bro, I built the subroutines that do that. I built the subroutines that are like, damn, okay, let's request the file, make sure it doesn't get touched. Okay, now let's read the file. Like, I build that stuff. But yeah, I get your point. Your point is that, like, for someone who doesn't really understand what that's on about, it can be a bit difficult to get your head around. Although for me, I don't know, it hasn't been that difficult ever to get my head around. I don't know what to say about that one. Chat, ask your questions away one by one. They ain't gonna know why they're writing, they ain't gonna... That is fair. That's probably why it failed, let's be real. But also... how would you realistically explain In 2 days, you've been streaming for about a year. Oh, okay. I should probably do something about that, shouldn't I? Shouldn't I be like, have a whole, oh, it's... I can't stream on the middle of the week, though. I probably should have made this some yearly celebration. Oops to daisies, guys, I forgot. I actually forgot. My days. I don't know. If I'm being real, I don't care that much. Like, I just don't care. I don't know. I just don't care. I have a total lack of caring for how many people watch, making money, but I don't give two shits. I just want to have fun. Fun. And this was fun, but also chaotic. I think it was a bit too much chaotic. I think my chaos was too much. My chaos was too much for them. Especially Insane Darkspark, who suddenly disappeared upon coming back a few hours later. One has to wonder what happened to him. Man, if only there was a message in chat that could explain what happened. If only. This is some sort of some sort of it is. This is C. Some sort of it is boil. Some of it is boilerplate. There we go. I'm stupid. Some of it is boilerplate. Not with pretending it's not. Take the includes as a given. Take the declaration of main as a given. Yeah, I mean, it's C and main is the entry point. Like, main is like, well, technically it's not the entry point. The entry point's in the back, but you get what I mean. Main for unless you're going to assembly purposes is the entry point. Okay, and the entry point. If you don't know what an entry point is, you might be like, why is this called the entry point? But if you don't have the entry point, then what are you doing? Like, why is it doing that? Like, why would it have arguments if it's not the entry point? So it is the entry point, but also you wouldn't know what an entry point even is. Yeah. I mean, what's it called? We already read the buffer. I could show it to the screen in like a one line of code. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to do that. I was trying to get the buffer to show on the screen, but I couldn't get it to work in time before they gave up. No. Chat, why do I always want to check this, and then it's always just hitting. Like, what the, why do I care? Why do I even hit it? Keep it, who cares? But did they know that? I tried to tell them, but I don't think they cared. I'll be real. I don't think they care. I got a sense you had them producing them once. What do you want me to say? I can't produce them anymore though, so I guess that's the end of the project. I don't fucking know. It would have been funnier if it did last though. It would have been funny. Oh my days. Yeah. What should I do now though? I want to know what does chat want me to do now? Do you want me to work on another programming project? Do you just want to talk like this for a bit? What do you want to do? Because the project did fail, so like, I'm gonna need your explanation. Well, I forgot there's a delay. You know what I mean? I forget. Oh, they no ain't gonna be no subsequent attempt. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. What should I do now? Should I go work on some other project? I've been meaning to work on my other projects. Does chat know about the OS I made in how long was it? 20 days. Does chat know about that one? Actually, I made that on my break, and I don't think a lot of chat has seen me in a while. That might be a bit of a shock to go to chat. Yeah, I made that one while learning C++, guys. While learning C++. That was really fun though. It was really fun. It doesn't build on real hardware. It has four syscalls. It has 4 functional syscalls, guys. 4, only 4. Who needs more than those? You can start threads. You can print the screen. You can close threads. You can get input. That's all you can do. I don't know what you want from me. I made it in 20 days. Yeah, I'm running out of things to talk about, chat. I don't know, bro. Chat, I need ideas. Chat, someone, just anyone, just say something random and I probably would do it. Just say a random thing for me to like try to make or do or something. I don't know. Please, I'm bored. I don't want to end stream yet, chat. I don't want to end stream. But I also don't want to just sit here talking to myself until the days of mine end and until the heat death of the universe. Well, actually, technically the sun will eat us first, but whatever. No? No? Trying to make a simple AI of Python? Python? No. How about C#? Will C# do... How about C#? Let's make an AI in C#. How about that? Would that work? What do you think about that? The cool bread. Or like the rest of chat, I don't know. Chat, I want your opinion here. I made AI engines before. I don't know why. I only had. I've made AI engines before, but they're not good because what I usually do. Okay, chat. What I normally do is I normally have like I need to paint for this or something. I normally have like layers, like onions. Okay, where I'll normally have like the guessing stage where we'll just guess until we reach a certain threshold. But then I've never gone past the guessing stage of my own custom engine. And I've also not that experienced in GPU programming. I'm being honest, I don't know how the fuck to program a GPU. How do you program a GPU? I'm terrible with shaders, but bro, I barely understand how shaders work. And I am just as bad. I'm just as bad at ARM assembly. I don't know why that matters. I'm very bad at ARM assembly. Extremely bad. As bad as someone can be at ARM assembly. x86 assembly though, that's a different story. x86 assembly space, come on. Did my music die? No, it's still there. Turn on the music, turn on the music. There we go. Now you can hear the. That's probably a bit loud. Now you can hear the music. Okay, chat. I'll pick something more reasonable for me to complete within one stream, or like an hour. Like a 5-minute coding adventure thing. I don't know. Or do we just want to end stream now? What do you think? Chat, what do you want? This is up to the experiences of chat. What does chat want me to do? Does chat want me to either end stream? Does chat want me to work on a random project that's viable within an hour to finish? Or does chat want me to, I don't know, go play some game or something? I don't know, what do you want me to do? Yeah, but what project? I need a project. I need a project. Just give me any project. Any project. Just bro, just give me something to make. within an hour. I just need to make it within an hour. It needs to be reasonable. It can't be, oh, I want to make an entire 3D rendering engine within an hour. But that's not possible without any prior research. You hear me? I want to get it done within an hour. No. So I just end stream then? A simple 2D game in an hour? Are you on crack? I'm not even joking with that. What? What are you on about? What is that emoji? I can't do it within an hour, chat. What does chat want? Actually reminds me, no, okay. I'm trying to think within reasonability. I might just end stream now. Chat, I might end stream now. What do you think about that? Do you want me to raid someone? If you want me to raid someone, pick someone and I'll raid them. Otherwise, I don't know what to say. I'm running out of ideas and I don't want the stream to be that boring. So... yeah. That you want me to raid? Raid a channel. I search. Who is this guy? Alright, can I? Who is this guy? What? I'm not gonna raid some fucking I'm not gonna raid a fucking Asmongold wannabe. Nobody wants to break Asmongold. If you want to break Asmongold, you need to get help now. Yeah, similar. But I just want someone who has like a similar-ish size to my channel. What the fuck is that? Don't worry about that. Yeah, I don't know. You know what? Fuck it. I ain't read no one. Bye, chat. I'm abandoning you all. Might be back tomorrow night if possible. It depends. It depends. But yeah, I'll have to see. Look, I stream whenever I can. Anyways, wasn't too soon to those that there was some value in an attempt. I appreciate some of the insights I got from it. I'll tell that, let me copy, let me hide my screen. Paste this. Haven Stranger. Yep, okay. Now, peace chat. I'm out of here.